Lesson 2 Are you really a sloth? Part 2では頑張っていきましょう。In part 2, there are also three important grammatical points. First, seems to be full. The second, having finished its only meal for the day. Third, as if were. It looks as if it were part of the tree. Well, we will see these three different grammatical points later. So first of all, let's take a look at three paragraphs. Again, our hero today is 怠け者 the sloth. お腹ちょっと出てますね。Okay, now let's take a look at the first paragraph. A sloth is awakened by the sun's rays after a night in the high branches of a tree. It lives high in the trees for a good reason. Unusual among mammals, the sloth isn't warm-blooded. Its body temperature varies with the environment. If it doesn't warm up in the sun, the sloth's body temperature reaches only 30 degrees Celsius, and most of its body functions stop. The sloth needs the sun's heat to be active. A sloth is awakened by the sun's rays after a night in the high branches of a tree. It lives high in the trees for a good reason. It is very unusual among mammals, but the sloth 怠け者 isn't warm-blooded. 血が温かくないんです。So, its body temperature varies with the environment. For example, if 怠け者's body doesn't warm up in the sun, the 怠け者, the sloth body temperature reaches only 30 degrees Celsius. And most of 怠け者's body functions stop. So, the 怠け者, the sloth needs the sun's heat to be active. Second paragraph. As the sloth body temperature starts to rise, it realizes it's hungry. It starts moving very slowly to find its breakfast. It eats only 3 large leaves, 7 to 8 grams once a day, and seems to be full. Having finished its only meal for the day, the sloth hangs from a branch quietly to digest its food. Believe it or not, the sloth doesn't move at all for about 20 hours. It looks as if it were part of the tree. So, 怠け者 the sloth needs the sun. 怠け者 the sloth body temperature starts to rise. It realizes it's hungry. And it starts moving very slowly to find its breakfast. Now, 怠け者 can move, so it realizes it's hungry and it starts moving very slowly to find its breakfast. Its breakfast is just only 3 large leaves, 7 to 8 grams once a day, and it seems to be full. So, after finishing its only meal, 3 large leaves for the day, again, 怠け者 the sloth hangs from a branch quietly to digest its food. 消化するためなんです。Believe it or not, this means 信じるか信じないかにかかわらず The namakemono, the sloth, doesn't move at all for about 20 hours. And it looks as if it were part of the tree. This means the namakemono is like a part of the tree. In the third paragraph, the sloth can live on tiny amounts of food because the sun's heat helps to maintain its body temperature. It makes good use of solar energy and has an energy-efficient lifestyle. So, the namakemono, the sloth, can live only tiny amounts of food. This means 1, 2, 3, just only large 3 leaves. With those food, namakemono, the sloth, can live. Because the sun's heat helps to maintain its body temperature. Namakemono doesn't have to eat so much. And the sun's heat helps to maintain namakemono's body temperature. So it's very energy efficient. It makes good use of solar energy and has an energy efficient lifestyle. So this is part 2, and now we are going to learn about 3 different grammatical points. First, seems to. It これは怠け者を指してますが A sloth seems to be full. Seem to means 何々のように思われる。怠け者 eats just only 3 leaves. It's very tiny amount, but a sloth seems to be full. Having finished its only meal for the day, the sloth hangs blah blah blah. これは分子構文ですね。例えば、Having finished breakfast, I hurried to school. This means, after finishing breakfast, I hurried to school. その日の食事、その日の朝食が終わった後、登校したという文章に当てはめて考えると分かるように、その日の食事が終わった後、木にぶら下がるようになったということですね。ここでの注意は、明確に時制に差があることです。食べ物を食事が終わった後、その後に、木にぶら下がったというふうに明確に差があります。The third grammatical point. It looks as if it were part of the tree. It means, of course, 怠け者 a sloth, as if 何々、まるで何々であるかのように。ここでのポイントは as if 以下の時制です。現在の事実の過程は過去形で、つまり現在形で書くべきところを一つ時制を古くします。つまり過去の過程は過去完了、大過去ですね。ということで一つ古くします。Please look at this. Can you see a cat? This cat looks as if it were part of the tree. Okay, now let's finish reading part 2. 他のパートも頑張っていきましょう。